Another day, another property. This is Justin Valencia of Carbo Valencia Realty. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Edesha Heights para ipakita sa inyo itong Fuji model natin dito na nasa likod ko. This is a single detached house na merong 83 square meter floor area at minimum lot area of 125 square meter. Kaya tara, tingnan natin to. So ito, car garage. Tara! So ang Fuji model natin, merong core and complete. Pag sinabing core, you can personalize yung tiles, the paints, the partitions, and even the ceilings. Pag complete, medyo lahat yun, usually light colors lang. So, minsan pinapatanggal pa rin kasi ng client. Pero, kagandahan doon, pwede ka na lumipat agad. So, tara! Ito, possible mong dining area and kitchen area. So, tara, akit tayo. Ang Fuji model natin ay provision for 3 bedrooms. Pag sinabing provision, kasya ang 3 bedrooms, maluwag na maluwag. May balcony, may CR tayo dito sa second floor. At ang kagandahan nito, ngayong buwan ng October, ang down payment natin is just 30,000 pesos. Pwede mo pa siyang hatiin for 3 months. 10,000, 10,000, and 10,000. Reservation fee is just 30,000 lang din. So, ano pang hinihintay mo? Kung ako sa'yo, kunin mo na tong Fuji model natin. This is your sign. So again, I'm Justin Valencia, your licensed real estate broker. Bye and God bless.